In this video we will create this coffee table model. First we press Shift plus A to create a new torus, change the segment count to 64, then go into the top view, press Shift plus D to duplicate it, right click to cancel the movement and scale it down a bit. Next, select the larger torus, enter edit mode, select all edges, press F to fill them, and extrude upwards. When entering face mode, select the top and bottom faces and press B to add a bevel. Once done, switch to object mode and move it up slightly, then click on the small ring, press Shift plus H to isolate it, and enter vertex edit mode. Next, go to the top view, select 3 vertices, and enable fall off. Move the spine upwards, and while moving, we can scroll the mouse wheel to adjust its fall off range. At this point, the table legs of the coffee table are done. We select the 3 vertices at the bottom, press Ctrl Shift B to add a bevel to the vertices, making them a bit smoother. Then we enter B mode again, select all edges and extrude upwards slightly to add some thickness. Next we enter face mode and select 4 faces. Fold E to extrude in the opposite direction. At this point you might notice that some faces are extruded in the wrong direction, so we undo that action. Select all faces, press Shift plus N to reset normals, then use Alt plus E to extrude along. Switch to object mode, press Alt plus H to make the model visible, move it downward slightly, then navigate to the material properties to add a new material and modify its color. At this point, the coffee table model is fully completed.